Hi guys, this is
Art and Meow. I'm Erika Betancourt Morales and I'm going to talk about a different kind of painting, right? The first one that I want to show you is the realism. The realism is a kind of painting in which the author try to show the life, yes, and be as faithful as possible with the real shapes and the real life. There they use different colors, different uh, uh, materials, yes, to show real life with the shapes of the real shapes of the things. Then there is the hyperrealism. The hyperrealism is a step beyond realism. Why? Because in hyperrealism, the author, the painter, is he based the painting in in a photo. Yes, he has a photo, and he tried to paint as similar as possible the painting, trying to express the real life too. Then there is the surrealism. The surrealism is a kind of painting that could be a little bit illogical, and because it is based on dream qualities and based on hallucinations, idealizing the things, right, and showing uh, different things in a little illogical way or irrealistical way. Then there is the Impressionism. The Impressionism is a very beautiful kind of painting in which the painter is very, very delicate because as we can see in all these pictures, right, um, they have a lot of delicate brush strokes. The most important part in this kind of painting are the details and some shapes, right? But especially the details and the delicate brush strokes. Then there is the Expressionism. The Expressionism is a kind of painting in which the painter tried to show feelings and emotions more than reality. As we can see in these pictures, the most important part are the expressions of the cats, right? They have a very expressful faces, yes, trying to show feelings. Then there is the abstract art. It is not based on the reality, it is based on color and different shapes, trying to show a feeling or an emotion. In these pictures, we can see that there are a lot of different shapes that show different kind of cats, right? Well, using a lot of colors, a lot of shapes that could be very a little bit unusual, right? There, then there is the pop art. The pop art is based on popular culture. It has a lot of colors and a lot of different expressions that that are normally appear on comics or that are usually about celebrities and on used in magazines. So now I want to show you some pictures that I have painted before and try to show you why they are in uh, a kind of painting.
right? First one is this one that I really like. It is a painting about one of my cats that is called Tadeo. Uh, the most important part in this painting is his expression, his face, because he's a very injured cat. So I wanted to show that, uh, expressing his emotions in his face. So it is based on expressionism. Also, I have this painting that is about other of my cats. He's called Max. It, this painting is a mix of surrealism and expressionism. Why? Because here, the most important, or it is based on dream qualities, in which I show the way I see my cat and the how lovely he is. Also, it has a part of a kind of expressionism, because I wanted to show in his face his very big eyes and how lovely he is. Also, I have this one that I haven't finished yet, that show Luna, who is other of my cats. I have 8 cats, and I wanted to show how lovely she is too, especially in her eyes, right? So it has um, a part of expressionism, or it is a mix of expressionism and surrealism too. My advice for you is that when you want to paint something, the more important is what do you want to express, what do you want to talk about in your picture, in your painting. So use the kind of painting that follow you, that allow you uh, express your ideas, your emotions, and using all the colors and shapes that you want to show. So this is cut. This is art and meow. And see you the next video. Bye.